Looking for a bold way to create a unique outdoor living space? Start with FLEXfence. FLEXfence is the original do-it-yourself kit that lets you customize fences, deck railings, awnings, hot tub enclosures, pergolas, and so much more. FLEXfence is easy to install. Decide whether you want your louvers to run vertically or horizontally. You control the louvers, giving you privacy as well as protection from wind and sun. FLEXfence has been engineered to withstand extreme weather conditions. It will never rust, and it's UV stabilized. It has been thoroughly tested to ensure structural performance. You will have peace of mind knowing that FLEXfence can hold up in winds over 400 kilometers an hour. Don't be fooled by imitations. FLEXfence is the original exterior louvered hardware system on the market since 1997. Visit FLEXfence.com or our social media channels for free project plans and design ideas. With FLEXfence, the only limitation is your imagination. FLEXfence, one simple hardware kit, so many design possibilities.